Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Instagram effectively, even with a low internet connection. First, you'll want to enable Data Saver in your Instagram settings. This crucial step helps reduce the amount of mobile data the app consumes by preventing videos from preloading. Also, consider downloading stories and posts when you have a strong Wi-Fi connection, allowing you to view them later without using cellular data. These initial adjustments can significantly improve your experience. Let's dive deeper into optimizing your settings. To activate Data Saver, go to your profile, tap the three lines for the menu, select Settings, then Account, and finally Cellular Data Use. Here, toggle on Data Saver. This action will prevent videos from preloading and can even reduce the quality of images, saving you valuable data. Additionally, set video autoplay to never so you control when content loads, giving you more power over your data consumption. And managing your content smartly is key when on a low net connection. Whenever you have access to a strong Wi-Fi network, take advantage of it by saving posts and stories you want to view later directly to your device. Try to limit activities like live video streaming and video calls, as these are very data-intensive. Also, ensure your settings prevent automatic uploads of high-resolution media, which can quickly deplete your data allowance. Focus on already loaded content. Here are some additional tips for a smoother Instagram experience on slow connections. Always connect to Wi-Fi for any data-heavy tasks, like uploading multiple photos or watching long videos. Remember to close any background applications that might be silently consuming your internet bandwidth. It's also wise to update your Instagram app only when you are on a stable and fast Wi-Fi connection. Lastly, consider using Instagram's web version. It can sometimes be less data-intensive than the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.